Hi there, Brian here. Welcome back to the Cash Flow Desk. Today we're talking about something that can be a game changer for your business: credit cards with no personal guarantee. If you've been hesitant to get business credit because you don't want your personal credit on the line, or if you're trying to build true business credit separation, this video is for you. We're going to cover 4 solid options that don't require a personal guarantee, what makes each one worth considering, and some practical tips for getting approved. Before we jump into the cards, let's clarify what no personal guarantee actually means. Most business credit cards require you to personally guarantee the debt. That means if your business can't pay, the card company can come after your personal assets. Cards without a personal guarantee are different. The liability stays with the business entity. If the business defaults, your personal credit and assets are generally protected. Now there's a catch. These cards typically require your business to be well established with strong revenue and credit history. They are not handing out unsecured business credit to brand new LLCs, but if you qualify, it's one of the best ways to build true business credit while keeping your personal finances separate. Let's start with Ramp. Ramp offers corporate cards without personal guarantees for qualifying businesses, and what sets them apart is the spend management platform that comes with it. You're not just getting a credit card, you're getting expense controls, automated receipt matching, and real-time spending insights. For businesses that want to scale without losing control over expenses, that's valuable. Ramp also gives you rewards across common business categories like software, travel, and digital ads, things most growth-minded companies are already spending heavily on. The approval process is based on your company's financial health, revenue, cash flow, and operating history, rather than your personal FICO score. That means consistent deposits and at least a year or so of track record go a long way. And here's a bonus. Ramp is designed to help you spend less, not more. They market themselves as a savings-first platform, surfacing duplicate subscriptions, unused licenses, and other areas where companies overspend. For some businesses, those insights alone can outweigh the card rewards. Next up is the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. This card offers 2% cash back on all purchases, with no personal guarantee required for qualifying businesses. The simplicity is appealing. No category restrictions, no rotating bonuses to track, just straight cash back. Capital One tends to be more flexible with approval criteria compared to traditional banks. They look at your business's overall financial picture, including bank account history and revenue trends. The Spark Cash Plus also comes with useful business tools like expense tracking and integration with accounting software. For businesses that want straightforward rewards without complexity, it's a solid choice. Keep in mind that approval without a personal guarantee typically requires strong business financials and established operating history. The Stripe Corporate Card is designed specifically for businesses already using Stripe for payments. What makes this interesting is that Stripe has access to your actual transaction data, so they can make credit decisions based on your real business performance rather than just traditional credit metrics. The card offers competitive rewards on business spending, and since it's tied to your Stripe account, expense tracking and reconciliation can be more automated. This works particularly well for e-commerce businesses, SaaS companies, or any business processing significant volume through Stripe. The approval process considers your payment processing history, which can be more relevant than traditional credit scores. The downside? You need to be a Stripe customer with meaningful transaction volume. It's not an option if you're not already in their ecosystem. Bill offers a corporate card that integrates directly with their accounts payable platform. The appeal here is the seamless integration between your card spending and bill management. If you're already using Bill for vendor payments and expense management, adding their corporate card creates a unified system. Bill looks at your business's payment history and cash flow patterns rather than relying heavily on personal credit. For businesses with established vendor relationships and consistent AP volume, this can be a path to corporate credit. The card offers rewards on business purchases and comes with the expense controls you'd expect from a corporate card program. The limitation is that it works best if you're already committed to Bill's platform for your accounts payable processes. So how do you actually get approved for these cards? The key is demonstrating business creditworthiness independent of your personal credit. That means having a business bank account with consistent deposits, established vendor relationships, and ideally some existing business credit history. Most issuers want to see at least 12 months of operating history and meaningful revenue. They're looking for businesses that can service debt from business cash flow, not personal assets. Having clean business finances helps too. If your books are a mess or your business bank account shows irregular activity, that's going to hurt your chances regardless of personal credit. Consider working with a business banker or credit specialist who understands corporate credit if you're serious about building business credit separation. Here's the bottom line on business credit cards without personal guarantees. They're not easy to get, but they're worth pursuing if you want true separation between business and personal credit. Ramp, Capital One, Spark Cash Plus, Stripe, and Bill all offer solid options for qualifying businesses. The key is building your business credit profile first, then applying when you have the financials to support corporate credit. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment with what business finance topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian, and I'll see you in the next one.